Yes. Oh, so what was I here for? Oh, right, weapon. Yes, hello. Welcome to the weapon shop. Yes, I'm looking for something big, like automatic. Maybe not big, but just like automatic. You know, just tell me what you have. Okay. We have this shotgun. We have this green weapon. We have a sniper. We have this shotgun. We have an MP40, and we have dynamite. Yes. I will take the Neon MGL, the alien weapon. I'll have the grenade, and that green weapon, and the 2 Uzis. That'll be all. Okay, hold on. That will just be a minute. Here's your green eco-friendly bag. Oh, I almost forgot. Would you like that gift wrapped? No thanks. Thank you. See you soon. Later. Yeah, woo, Star Wars, yeah, we're not even supposed to be in this video, yeah. Run! At the bank. Okay, we are closed. Dynamite time. Down. Okay. All clear. The cop is here. Whoa, didn't see that coming.